Hello, my students. How are you? Today we'll explain a lesson talk about the decimals. We will talk about addition and subtraction between decimal and also multiplication and division. Look at with me. Here we have 3.5. It's a decimal number. It contains of whole numbers 3 and 0.5. 5 tenths. Okay. Then we have whole numbers and decimal. This number is then what? It is 3.5 equal to 3 plus 0.5. We can write 3.5 product by 10. We can product here by 10. To find the answer, move the point right hand side by one place. If you product by 10, move the point here right hand side by one place, the result will be 35. Okay, then the answer here will be 35. And what about 3.5? Divided by 10. If we divide it by 10, we must move the right left hand side by one place. Then 3.5 divided by 10, the result to be like 3 and 5. And the point to move left hand side by one place, it will be 35 hundredths. 35 hundredths. Okay? Move the point left hand side by one place. Now, if we have 7.5 into 2.5. We can collect two numbers here by 8 teens by teens, like 5 plus 5 equals 10, 0 and the carry of 1, right 0 here, and the carry of 1. What's the point? 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 7 equals 10. Means the answer here will be 10. Okay? Next example, what about 3.6 subtract by 2.1? Find the difference. 6 minus 1 equals 5 and 3 minus 2 equals 1. Then the answer here will be 1.5. 1.5. Okay? This answer here. Next example. What about 3.7 equal to 2.95 hundredths? We can find the answer by equality between two numbers. Right here with 0 to right hand side equality two numbers. 3.7, you can share with 0 to equivalent two digits by right hand side and here two digits. Right there. 5 plus 0 equals 5 and 9 plus 7 equals 16. Right 6 and carry of 1. This is the point. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3 equals 6. This is also be 6 and 65 hundredths. Okay? 6 and 65 hundredths. Okay, understood? Now I will give you extra example about addition or subtraction and also multiplication between two decimal numbers. Look at here with me. Next example. Look at with me here. What about 3.5 equal 2.5 for that by 10. First step we must add two numbers. Start from right hand side. Like this. We have 5 plus 5 equals 10, right 0 and carry of 1. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 3 equals 6. Then the answer here will be 6. 6 multiplication by 10. We can product two numbers here by move the point right hand side by one place. Okay? Move the point here right hand side by one place, it will be 6. Then the answer here product by 10 move the point right hand side by one place. 6 product by 10 equals 60. Then the answer will be 60 because 6.0 is meaning 6. Okay, this number means 6. 6 times 10 equals 60. And what about 3 and 42 hundredths subtract by 2 and 21 hundredths divided by 2. To find the answer here, first step you must solve the answer in the brackets. We know answers first. In this example, we can find the difference between two numbers here. Right, 2 minus 1 equals 1, and 4 minus 2 equals 2, and equals a point. And 3 minus 2 equals 1. Then 1.21, and then divide by 10. To divide by 10, you must move the point left hand side by one place. The point here, look at here, we move to left hand side by one place here, going left hand side like 0.121. It will be 121 thousandths. 121 thousandths. And what about this example? If we have product between two decimal numbers like this, 3.5 product by 1.2. To find the answer in this example, you must write the point after two places because this number is really 65 over 10 and 1.2 equal 12 over 10. Okay? You can find the answer as if with the point after two places. Like here, numerator by numerator and numerator by numerator. We can product this answer here 2 times 10 equal 100. And up in the numerator, in numerator 65 times 12. You can put that here, 35 product by 12. We can find the answer here in this example by product by right hand side. 2 times 5 equal 10. Write 0 and carry a 1. Start from right hand side, okay? 2 times 5 equal 10. Write 0 and carry a 1. 3 times 2 equals 6. 6 plus 1 equals 7. Write 7. And then in 0 here also because 1 here lies in the tens place. Next step, product 1 times 1 times 5 is 5, and 1 and 3 equal 3, and then collect together, 7 plus 5 12, 2 multiply 1, 3 plus 1, 4. Then we have now 410. Write 410 here at the numerator, and then you can divide it by 100, put the point after two places. We can put the point here after two places. It will be 4.2 and 0. It's equivalent to 4.2. You must cancel 0 here as hard as possible, okay? So the answer will be for 4 and 2 tenths. So if we have, next example, the point after two places, you must put the point after two places is the answer, okay? Next question, what about 6.5 product by 32? This example here, look at 6.5 times 32, this makes 65 over 10 product by 32 over 1. You can find the answer in one step without doing this. One step by product 32 times 65, and the answer must be with the point after one place, okay? Because the point here after one place. You can write in this example, and out here in the graph, write 65 product by 32. First step, we must start at right hand side. Start here with me. About right hand side, we have 2 times 5 equal 10, 0 and carry a 1, okay? And 0 here and carry a 1. 2 times 6, 12, 12 plus 1 equals 13. And then we can add 0 here. Next step, you must product 3. 3 here lies in the tens place, okay? Then 3 product by 5 is 15. 5 and carry a 1. 3 times 6 equal 18. 18 plus 1 equal 19. And next step, you can collect to find the answer in the simplest. We can add two numbers. 0 plus 8 equals 0 here, and 0 plus 5 equals 8, and 9 plus 1 equals 10. 0 and carry a 1. Okay, you can complete with me. 9 plus 1 equals 10, 0 and carry a 1, 1 plus 1 equals 2. Then we have 2080 divided by 10. We can divide the simplest, cancel 0 by 0, and 208 divided by 1 equals 208 is the simplest example. Next question, I will give you example about division between two decimals, like this, 1.2 divided by 2. Look at here, 1.2 divided by 2 is meaning 12 divided by 2, and then put the point after one place. 12 divided by 2 equals 6, or 1 divided by 2 we can put 0, and then 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Then the answer will be 6 tenths. 6 tenths, okay? And what about this example here? What about 1.44 divided by 12? Look at here, 1 divided by 12 we can't do it. So you must put 0 here out and put the point. And then 14 divided by 12. 14 divided by 12 equal 1, and the remainder what? And the remainder 2. Count again, 14 divided by 1 equal 14 divided by 12. 12 here is the divisor, and the dividend 1.44. We can divide 1 divided by 12, we can do put 0, and then 14 divided by 12 equal 1, and the remainder 2. Then 24 divided by 12 equal to. Then the answer will be 12 hundredths. 12 hundredths. Okay? Next step. What about 3.6 divided by 0.4? First step, to solve this example, you must convert the divisor here to whole numbers, because to find the relation in any multiplication or in any division between two numbers, you must convert first step, convert the divisor here to whole numbers. How this? Look at the point. The point after one place. Then you must cancel the point by product by 10 numerator and numerator, or dividend and divisor. Product by 10, 0.4, we can product by the 3.6 over 0.4. I will product by 10 here, numerator and numerator. And then up both, move the point right hand side by one place. It will be 36. And then divided by 4, 6, 6 divided by 4 equal 9. Okay, and the answer here will be 9. And what about 100 for 1.44 divided by 2? It's exactly, or it's direct questions. First step, let's start from left hand side. 1 divided by 0 with 2, we can do it. So you must put 0 first here and then get the point. 14 divided by 2 equals 7 and 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Then the answer will be 72 hundredths. 72 hundredths, okay? And what about this example? 7.5 divided by 0.5. In this example also we must convert divisor here to whole numbers by product by 10. Why? Because the point here after one place. You must convert divisor to whole numbers, okay? Then we have 7.5 over 0.5. We can product numerator and numerator up and down by 10 to cancel the point, okay? Then numerator 0.5 times 10 equal 5 and 7.5 times 10 equal 75. And next step you can find the answer 75 divided by 5. Left hand side 7 divided by 5 equal 1 and remember 2. 25 divided by 5 equal 5. So the answer will be 15. The answer here will be 15, okay? And what about the decimal? If the point after two places, you must redact by 100. What about the point after three places? You must redact by 1000 to cancel the point. You must convert the divisor to whole number. It's important method, okay? Look at with me, what about 3.52 divided by 0.0 and 2? Who can tell me this example? First step, we can convert in this operation, the divisor here, the divisor must cancel the point. You must product by 100, okay? Because the point here after two places, product by 100, okay? Then we have 3.52 divided by 0.02. First step, we can product by 100 numerator and numerator. Why? Because the divisor here decimal is the point after two places, and then we must cancel the point by product by 100, okay? Product by 100 down, move the point right hand side by two places, it will be 2, and up, move the point right hand side by two places, it will be 352. 352, okay? Right here, 352 up the numerator, okay? 352. And then you can divide it. 3 divided by 2 equal 1 and the remainder 1. 15 divided by 2 equals 7 because 2 times 7 equals 14 and the remainder 1. And then 12 divided by 2 equals 6. The answer will be 176. And next step, what about 3.5 to product by 3.5? In this example, we have three numbers here. We can product two numbers, and the point will be in the result after three places. In the first after two places, and second after one place. Then we must put the point after three places when you finish. Okay? Understood? Or we can solve this example by writing 352 over 100 and here 35 over 10. And then product numerator by numerator and numerator by numerator. Product here the down 10 times 100 equal 1000. And then you can product 35 by 352. Look at here, I will write up the number first, okay? 352 up and 35 down. And then product two numbers by right hand side. First step, we will product by right hand side 2 times 5 equal 10. Okay, you know this 2 times 5 equal 10. 0 and carry up 1. Write 0 here and carry up 1. 5 times 5, 25. 25 plus 1 equal 26. Okay, write 6 and carry up 2. And then 5 product by 3 equal 15. 15 plus 2 equal 17. And then we can add the number, write 0 here, and then product 3. Why put 0? Because 3 lies is a tensor place. So you must put 0 first in the place. And then product by right hand side. Okay, start by right hand side. 3 times 2 equals 6. And 3 times 5 is 15. 5 and we carry up 1. And then 3 times 3, 9. 9 plus 1 equals 10. Then we can write here and then collect together. Okay, again about steps. Okay, listen to me. I will explain this questions again. Okay, we have first 2 times 5 times 0 and the carry of 1. 5 times 5 25. 25 plus 1 equals 26. 6 and the carry of 2. And then 3 times 5 equals 15 plus 2 equals 17. And then with 0 here, 3 times 2 6, 3 times 5 15, 5 and the carry of 1, 3 times 3 9, 9 plus 1 equals 10, and then we can collect together 0, 6 plus 6 12, 2 and the carry of 1, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 5 equals 13, 3 and the carry of 1, 1 plus 1 2, and then write 1. Then right here up in numerator 1200, 1200 30. You can solve this example by dividing by 10 numerator and numerator. Okay? Look at here. You can solve this first, and the answer will be 100. 23 over 100. Then you must put the point after two places. Why? Because the point here in the numerator after the point, we put the numerator here 100. 100 is meaning put the point after two places. Then we can write 100, 23, and then put the point after one place. Okay? And what about this example here? 6.52 and 2 divided by 0.2. Who can tell me this example? First step, we must convert two tenses to whole numbers by product by 10 numerator and denominator. Okay? You must convert the divisor first. 0.2 here, we must product by 10. Okay? You must product by 10 numerator and denominator. Listen to me about steps here. First step, I will write 6.52 and 2 over 0.2. And next step, product by 10 up and down. Why? Because the point here down after one place. Then product by 10 move the point right hand side to be 2, and up product by 10 move the point right hand side one place. Compare. It will be 6, 5.2, and 2. Okay? And then we can divide it. 6 divided by 2 equal 3. And next, 5 divided by 2 equal 2, and the remainder 1. Because 2 times 2 equal 4, okay? Look at me. Here, 5 divided by 2. How many 2 in the 5? 1, 2. And the remainder 1. Put 1 up here, and 12 divided by 2 equals 6. And 2 divided by 2 equal 1. Then the answer will be 32 and 61 hundredths. 32 and 61 hundredths, okay? Okay, next question. What about half divided by 0.3? You can solve this example by this method today. Convert half here, this number, convert half to be decimal by product by 5 numerator and denominator. Or you know half equals 0.5. Okay, we can convert this. We have two methods to find the answer. I will solve the example by two methods. First method, I will convert this number to be 0.5 half and then divide it by 0.3. The next step, we can write 0.5 up and down 0.3. We can cancel the point here down by product by 10 numerator and denominator. Product by 10 and here product by 10. Then the answer will be 5 over 3. 5 over 3, write 3 here, 5 divided by 3 equal 1 and the remainder 2, then the result will be 1.6. It's nearest to 4, 6 and 6, or 1.6. It's nearest to the answer. It's the first solution. The second solution, 1 divided by 3 divided by 0.3, you can write half divided by 3 tenths is 3 over 10. And then write the first fraction first and convert from division to multiplication and write reciprocal here to be 10 over 3. And then divided 2 divided by 2 equal 1 and 10 divided by 2 is 5. 1 plus 5 is 5 and 1 plus 3 equal 3. Then you cancel this 5 divided by 3 equal 1 and remainder 2. Then the result will be 1 by 6 and 6 is equal to 1.6 to find the answer in the same spot. Okay, my students? That's the picture now. Next time we complete about all questions about also long division and multiplication, and also we can find the relation between composite number and random number in next video, inshallah. Okay, goodbye.